What are the advantages of painting walls and ceilings the same color? Dear friends, the shade scheme plays an important function in creating the tone and the environment of a space when it involves a home layout. One fashion that is gaining popularity is painting walls and ceilings the same color. This method may additionally appear easy, however, it services numerous specific advantages that may decorate the appearance and feel of your own home. Here, we will explore those blessings in element and provide insights into why this is probably the right desire for your subsequent paint undertaking. Aesthetic benefits: painting walls and ceilings the same color creates a cohesive and harmonious appearance. When the partitions and ceiling share an equal hue, it removes the visible break among those surfaces. This seamless appearance could make a room sense extra spacious and unified. For smaller rooms, this approach can create an illusion of the top, making the gap experience larger than it is. Additionally, this method permits more flexibility in choosing hues. By the use of equal coloration for both the ceiling and walls, you keep away from the need to suit or evaluate special paints, simplifying the layout system. This consistency facilitates attaining a minimalist aesthetic that is modern-day and elegant. For those thinking about exterior wall paint as well, making use of the same coloration for both partitions and ceilings can increase the cohesive appearance of your outside areas. High-best outside wall paint ensures that your house's exterior matches the interior aesthetic, creating a unified appearance that enhances and decreases appeal. Enhancing room perception: painting walls and ceilings the same color also can impact how we understand the dimensions and form of a room. When you paint the ceiling the same coloration because of the partitions, it minimizes the barriers in the room. This technique can be specifically effective in rooms with low ceilings, in which a single shade can make the ceiling seem higher. This method also works well in creating a feel of continuity from room to room. For instance, transitioning from one room to another with equal wall and ceiling color can assist in preserving a fluid, uninterrupted layout throughout your property. This is in particular beneficial in open concept spaces in which you want to hold a cohesive look. Practical considerations: in sensible phrases, painting walls and ceilings the same color also can be a price-powerful choice. Using the equal paint for both surfaces mean you should purchase in bulk, doubtlessly decreasing the overall cost of materials. Additionally, this approach can simplify the paint system, saving effort and time. Despite its advantages, there are some misconceptions about painting walls and ceilings the same color. One unusual perception is that this method could make a room experience monotonous or dull. However, the right choice of interior wall paint and finishes can add depth and hobby to the distance. Using various textures and light resources also can beautify the visible attraction, making the room feel dynamic and tasty. Another false impression is this technique limits your design alternatives. Painting both partitions and ceilings the same shade gives a blank canvas for incorporating various design elements, including artwork, furniture, and textiles. The uniform heritage could make those elements stand out more prominently and create a balanced appearance. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.